Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify Premium not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify Premium not working, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to your airplane mode and you can turn on. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.